Hello, welcome to Chiropractie and the dog. Today's topic is sometimes things are a big old mess before they get better. Speaking of one that just walked by. What that means is sometimes when you're trying to improve things, including yourself and your nervous system, things can get a little bit worse. And what do I mean by that is that sometimes when my patients come in, I let them know after their first visit that either one of three things are going to happen. One, you're either going to feel great, like you've never felt before. Two, it's going to just feel normal. Or three, things could get worse. The pain could get worse. You could start sensing pain in other areas. You can start having an upset stomach. You can get nauseous. Your blood pressure can go up. You could sweat. All these things are your body trying to work again. And before it can work properly, sometimes it needs to get rid of the toxins and the bacteria and the viruses that are in you that are trying to get out, or the body's trying to kick out, but they're happy where they are because you've never gotten sick. Your fever's never spiked to where it needs to be. You've never vomited it out. You've controlled your vomit with anti-throw-up medication. You control your fever with anti-fever medication. You control all these different things with different types of medication instead of allowing the body to do what it needs to do. And what happens when you come into the chiropractor and we make that first adjustment, the brain and the body and the tissue cells are communicating sometimes for the first time in years. And the response can be a fever, nausea, headache, upset stomach, heartbeat increase. A million different other things can happen. And that's because the body's finally communicating. And if you want to know what that means, come on in here. This is our lounge. And normally it's very pretty, but today it's a big old mess. And it's a big old mess because we're trying to improve upon it. So it's no different than in your house or in your body or in your office. Sometimes you got to make things a little bit messy before you can organize them and bring them back to the way they're supposed to function. So the next time you go to your doctor, if you get sick or you get a fever or something happens afterwards, tell your doctor, tell your chiropractor, because that is your body working. And that's a good thing. So remember, sickness is not a bad thing. Health is not always just the absence of sickness. And sometimes when you get sick, you got to let your body do it so it can get rid of everything that's in you. There's your little lesson today at Chiropractie. If you're not a patient and you'd like to be one, please give us a call. All you have to do is go to chiropractie.com and our phone number and everything's listed there. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. And until then, keep making messes so you can keep making things beautiful. Bye-bye.